Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this 6 feet artificial pre-lit Christmas tree. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it all opened up. We're gonna put it together and I'll show you what it looks like. This tree has a height of 6 feet and it has 956 branches, which gives it a full and abundant, gorgeous look. The leaves are made of durable PVC with a lifelike appearance, which makes it feel like a real tree. And the base is made of robust metal material, which gives us stability and sturdiness to prevent from tipping over. I love how easy it is to set up. With the high quality hinge structure, it makes it very simple to set up and take down the tree at the end of the season. Plus, the durable material makes it possible to use this over and over again while still maintaining its shape and structure. The tree already comes pre-lit with 250 warm lights to give us a cozy holiday vibe. Plus, there are 8 lighting modes that we can choose from depending on the occasion or the mood. If you are in the market for a gorgeous and sturdy pre-lit artificial Christmas tree to use for this upcoming holiday season, this is definitely worth looking into.